Warm greetings to everyone tuning in today. We're about to embark on a culinary journey, one that's filled with nutrient-dense and delicious meals perfect for those seeking to gain muscle. You see, the right nutrition is a cornerstone in muscle gain, and our upcoming content is designed to help you navigate the often complex world of bulking diets. So, ready your taste buds and sharpen your cooking skills, as we're about to dive into a world of nutrient-dense and delicious bulking meals. Bulking up is no walk in the park, and we all know it. The struggle is real, and it's not just about lifting those heavy weights day in and day out. It's about fueling your body with the right nutrients to support that muscle growth, and that's where many stumble. The challenge of bulking up often lies in the diet. It's not just about eating more, it's about eating right. Consuming the right balance of proteins, carbs, and healthy fats can be a daunting task. And let's not forget the importance of vitamins and minerals that contribute to muscle recovery and growth. Then there's the issue of meal timing. Eating at the right times can optimize muscle growth and recovery, but getting it right is easier said than done. So navigating through this complex world of nutrition for muscle gain can seem overwhelming. But how does one navigate this complex world of nutrition for muscle gain? Let's find out. Today we bring you 7 meals that can change your bulking game. Picture this, a spread of 7 nutrient-dense, delicious meals, each with a unique role in helping you gain muscle. Let's dive in. First up, we have the classic pairing of grilled chicken and brown rice. This duo is a powerhouse of lean protein and complex carbohydrates. Chicken supports muscle repair and growth, while brown rice provides sustained energy, keeping you fueled throughout your workout. Next, we have the humble yet mighty salmon and sweet potato combo. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for muscle health and recovery. Sweet potatoes, on the other hand, are packed with vitamins and fiber, promoting overall health while aiding in muscle growth. Thirdly, we have a tasty egg and avocado toast. Eggs are a complete protein source, providing all the essential amino acids your muscles need to grow. The avocado, rich in healthy fats and fiber, complements the eggs perfectly, promoting satiety and maintaining heart health. Our fourth meal is a hearty quinoa and black bean salad. Quinoa is a complete protein, and black beans are rich in fiber and protein. This salad is not just filling but also helps in muscle recovery and growth. Moving on to our fifth meal, we've got Greek yogurt with mixed berries. Greek yogurt is rich in protein and calcium, supporting bone health and muscle growth. The berries add a burst of antioxidants, aiding in recovery and reducing muscle soreness. The sixth meal is a delightful smoothie made with whey protein, spinach, and a banana. This smoothie is a nutritional powerhouse, providing high-quality protein, essential vitamins and minerals, all crucial for muscle growth and recovery. Lastly, we present a lean beef stir-fry with mixed vegetables. Lean beef is a great source of iron and protein, supporting muscle growth. The mixed veggies add a variety of vitamins and minerals, promoting overall health. Let's now highlight the meal that can make the biggest impact on your bulking progress. So, have you figured out which of these 7 meals could be your game changer? This meal could be a game changer for your bulking journey. Imagine a feast loaded with lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats, the triple threat in muscle building. This meal's magic lies in its balance, providing you with sustained energy and essential nutrients for muscle repair and growth. It's not just about the calories, but the quality of those calories. So, don't skip this meal. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and the same goes for your diet. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've journeyed through a culinary landscape of 7 nutrient-dense meals that can elevate your bulking diet to the next level. Each dish, rich in protein, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats, was carefully selected for its potential to support muscle growth and recovery. We kicked off with a hearty breakfast option, moved on to a midday snack, dived into a fulfilling lunch, enjoyed a post-workout feast, and even explored a satisfying dinner possibility. We also touched on a couple of easy-to-prepare, on-the-go options that can keep your energy levels up and your muscles fed throughout the day. These meals are not just about bulking up, they're about fueling your body with the right nutrients it needs to perform at its best. So give these meals a try, adapt them to your tastes, and see how they can transform your bulking journey. As we conclude, ponder over this question. How can you adapt these meals to your unique dietary needs and preferences? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey for muscle gain. We hope this guide has given you a fresh perspective on bulking meals and perhaps even inspired you to revamp your own diet. If you found this video helpful, Be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who could also benefit from these tips. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section. Tell us which of these meals you're most excited to try, or share your own go-to bulking recipes. Remember, your input could help someone else on their fitness journey. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button for more weight loss tips, muscle gain advice, and all things fitness. We've got plenty more content coming your way, so stay tuned. Until next time, stay strong, eat well, and keep pushing your limits. Your best is yet to come. See you in the next video.
Like this video? Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, and subscribe for more fun and learning. Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching.